Hey everyone, Clueless Dad here. I'm in the swimming pool with my son, and we're using the Swimava. I did a review of the Swimava when my son was only a few months old. We tried it out in the bathtub in Japan after we first bought it.
Hello. Kimchi.
And here we are more than a year later. Still fits him, and now we're in the pool here in Hong Kong, and he actually gets to use this thing a lot now. My wife brings him down to the pool every week, maybe 2-3 times a week, and because of this thing he can actually swim now. Like, not swim, but he can actually be in the pool, so it's actually pretty good. It allows him to explore the whole pool, sort of get used to swimming. Good boy. I think it's physically impossible for him to, drown with it in this way. I think the biggest thing I'm worried about is that his head were to somehow slip out. So as you can see, he's got these buckles on the back. There's one on the top and one on the bottom. So coming off is quite difficult. And it doesn't seem like it chokes him at all, even if he's twisting and turning and going from sort of swimming on his back to swimming on his front. It seems like he's quite enjoying himself too if you just let him go. If I get too far away, he maybe freaks out a little bit, but not too bad. So what do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? So the question is, can he actually really swim, or is he just sort of floating around passively? So far, mostly passively. Go. So I did a review of this. Product. And so it gets him used to floating, gets him not just, hang around the periphery of the pool, in the kiddie pool, but it gets him in the deep end, for better or for worse. No, no. So what do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down? Okay, so that's it for today. See you guys next time here on the Clueless Dad. Having the stroller with me all the time up in the overhead bin. As soon as we get off the plane, pull it out, unfold it, and walk off. Literally that could save you 15-20 minutes right there.